So this rug is a cotton fringe, so that fringe will go right down through the length of the rug, on wool. Nice blue colours. Got a bit of damage here because it was rolled up for ages, so it's all creased and marked, which I'm hoping will come out, but I don't think it will. You can see there like the shading where it's been like creased over or something for ages. But yeah, you can see the pile of the rug, this bit here, it's quite faded and dirty compared to the awesome colours of the navy blues and the peaches and those blues there. It's kind of, it's an old rug, it's been rolled up for years, used for years. The fringes are quite dirty, but I've just given it a vac before it goes through the rug badger stage. It's just a bit dark here with dirt, but this is all the soil that's come out. It's really dark soil. So it's deep in the fibres of the rug, so that's all come out nicely. But as you can see, that's only 1/3 of the rug, and if we pull it back, it's just more and more of this really abrasive fine, what was the lens? Fine dirt. So that'll mute the colours down, that'll erode the part a little bit because it's abrasive. So once all this dry soil's out, let's give it a good deep clean. There's a nice chunk there. It'll look a lot better.